Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to add photo in Bereal app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to add any kind of photo in your Bereal app, all you need to do is simply tap open your Bereal app itself. So once you open the Bereal app, you will end up in this interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the circle icon. Once you do so, you can now take pictures according to your wish. You can take any kind of picture you want, and once the picture is completely done, hit the add button. After you do so, your picture will automatically get added in your feed, which you can choose to be visible to your friends or your friends of friends as well. So this is how you add photo on Bereal. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Till then, thank you for watching.